Grab 4 terracotta pots, then paint 3 of them red. Paint the third pot's rim black. Then paint the fourth one a nude color. Next, glue them all together using silicone. Then add some embellishments. Next, add some batting. Then add some cobwebs to the head. Next, draw a face and color it in. Then paint 3 terracotta pots white. Paint the fourth one black. Then glue them all together using silicone. After that, add some sparkly Mod Podge. Then add some embellishments. Add 2 buttons for eyes and draw on a carrot nose. And add a scarf. You can create any kind of holiday character. Want to make these projects? Here's what you'll need. A total of 8 terracotta pots for both projects, red paint, black paint, nude paint, gold metallic paint, a paintbrush, a detail brush, some Mod Podge, a package of batting, a pair of scissors, a bag of cobwebs, hot glue, a black marker, a blue marker, a pink crayon, silicone, white paint, an orange marker, sparkly Mod Podge, some red ribbon, 2 buttons, some white ribbon, and some embellishments. I hope this inspires you to create these cute holiday characters for your home this season. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you in our next video.